Hello, this is Leah Curiskio for BIOL251 A and P2. This is my week 7 internal and external fetal pig kidney dissection. I began with locating the fetal pig's kidney, which is usually easier to locate. And in this video, you can notice the first kidney still has that thin layer of tissue connected. This is called the ureters. This connects the bladder to the kidney. Next, I flipped around the small intestine to locate the second kidney, which still had the thin tissue connected as well for easier viewing. And fun fact, the anatomy of a fetal pig's kidney is quite similar to that of us humans. After carefully cutting apart the kidney of the fetal pig, I was able to easily locate the renal medulla, which is just outside of the renal cortex, and noticed some yellowing in the kidney, which signified there was a little bit of urine present in this fetal pig's kidney. And lastly, this is the outer cortex of the fetal pig's kidney. Thank you so much for tuning into my video this week. I hope you enjoy. Please stay tuned for week 10 and 14 for the fetal pig reproductive system dissection. Bye.